Hi, welcome to the second episode of 3-Minute Finance, kung saan tuturuan namin kayo how you can answer your personal finance questions in 3 minutes or less. In today's episode, we will begin a series of lessons kung saan tuturuan namin kayo ng number 1 skill na kakailanganin ninyo to answer most, if not all, of your personal finance questions. Ano ito? Time value of money o TVM. If you haven't heard of TVM before, ito yung sistema na ginagamit ng mga seryosong investors at mga kumpanya to make major financial decisions. For a person, ito ang paraan for you to know kung stock market ka ba or real estate. For companies, this is how they decide kung magkano life insurance premium or selling price ng condo na binebenta nila. Now, I know na baka natatakot ka na magiging sobrang nosebleed ang usapan, na kailangan mo maging genius o math major para magawa ang TVM. And in the past, totoo yan. Komplikado at mahirap nga ang math sa TVM, but dito sa 3-Minute Finance, basta marunong ka gumamit ng smartphone ay matututo ka ng TVM. So of course, ang una nating gagawin ay mag-download ng app. No, hindi ka namin bebentahan kasi ang daming free TVM apps sa Google Play at Apple App Store. Search mo lang ang TVM calculator and maraming free apps that you can get. We won't tell you to get a particular one also. Ikaw pumili ng TVM calculator mo. Ang importante, okay ang user interface ng app mo. Now, go download your own TVM calculator, then come back. Okay, regardless kung anong TVM app kinuha mo, may makikita kang 5 variables. Present value, ito ang perang kailangan o kaya mong i-invest. Future value, ito ang target amount mo. Payment o amortization. Ito yung regular amount that will be added sa investment mo. Interest rate. Ito ang annual rate na kinikita ng isang investment. Lastly, makikita mo yung periods o time. This is how long ang investment period. Now, the way TVM works is simple. Alamin mo yung variable na hinahanap dun sa 5 and fill up the other 4. Then yung app na gagawa ng lahat. Sample. Gusto mo malaman ang interest rate na kailangan to double your money in 10 years. So, rate ang hinahanap mo. Para makuha answer, lagyan mo ng values ang present value, future value, time at amortization. Press equals, then boom. The app will tell you what interest rate your investment has to earn every year. In this case, mga 7.2%. Thank you for watching the second episode of 3-Minute Finance. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next episode kung saan pag-uusapan natin ang future value.